This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jana Deneau. Annual rental. Don't miss out. This home is located on 3.40 acres of beautiful nature and offers a view of a canal. It has 3 bedrooms with an open floor plan in the kitchen area. Lots of upgrades including new granite countertops in kitchen and bathrooms, high-impact hurricane windows, new roof in 2021, new water heater, new window treatments, industrial strength fans, optional security system with cameras you can view on television and phone, reverse osmosis system. Fences in yard around the lanai area which makes it perfect for pets. Enjoy fishing from the canal. Information contained herein deemed reliable but not guaranteed. For more information, review the details below or contact Jana Deneau at 239-200-1990.